think we're live. I'll double check. Yes, we are. So I subscribe to a monthly box from gentlemansbox.com. I used to subscribe to Spreza Box, and my rationale behind all of these boxes, whether it's Spreza Box, Gentleman's Box, if I can get one or two things that I'm happy with and I wouldn't have bought otherwise every month, I'm happy. Now I moved from Spreza Box to Gentleman's Box because I wasn't happy. They 2 months in a row they came out with stuff I just didn't like, and all it took was 2 months for me to say no, I'm just not happy. And yeah, this is all about making me a more dapper motherfucker. That's my goal. So we'll go ahead and we'll open this up and see what is in the box this month. And it every month there's something. And again, my goal is to find a couple of things that I like. I don't know that I always succeed in that goal, but we'll see. So let's see, that's wide enough, I think. Honoring our favorite Detroit designer. I like that. And let's see. Ooh. The first thing, socks. And I kind of like these. I'll wear these. So already this box is winning. The second thing in here, and I have a couple of these, but I like this one. This is from Stolen Riches. Feels nice. Seems to be well made. Another win. Fantastic. Oh. And this looks to be a fairly high quality, and it smells good. And by it smells good, it smells horrible. So this is 30% wax, 30% castor oil, 30% turpentine, 10% stearic acid. And when I buy high quality shoe polish, that this is the smell that I'm looking for. So this is from Cobbler Concierge. Oh, a shoe bag. So if you ever travel, you want to keep your shoes in a shoe bag if possible, especially if they're well shined and you don't want to have anything rub off onto your clothing. So this is a nice high quality shoe bag. And the last thing, oh no, there's more. Oh man. Shoelaces. If you know me, I'm not one that would wear like plain black shoelaces very often. I tend to like this style of shoelace. So again, another win. And the last thing in the look good, feel good box is a very nice cotton tie. Just perfect for summertime. I like the looks. This book box all the way across, it's a huge win. I'm thrilled. I can't say enough good about this box. And again, not every box that I've received is of this quality. So I'm happy. You know, I'm most of the time there's one or two things. I think virtually everything in this box I'm happy with. So let's switch over. And that's it for the day. Have a great one.